Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing fine and are taking care of yourselves. My name is Kanika Tandon and I am here with the video of Class 7th English First. In our today's video, we'll be doing Let's Recall Second, which is on page number 90, and chapter number 25, that is Synonyms and Antonyms. Starting our today's video with Let's Recall Second. Let's recall are the exercises which are a revision of whatever we have learned in the previous chapters. So starting with exercise number 1, write the plurals of the following nouns. So there are the questions and words, and we have to write the plural of the following. So boy becomes boys, match becomes matches, story becomes stories, day becomes days, proof becomes proofs, woman becomes women, child becomes children, mother-in-law becomes mothers-in-law, louse becomes lies, and analysis remains analysis only. Second question is insert articles wherever needed in the following. So first is March is third month of the year. So March is the third month of the year. Sun rises in the east. How blue the sky looks. He is the best player in the team. Tagore was a great poet. Third is underline the pronouns in the following sentences. First, it is 10 o'clock. It. Either you can go. Either of you can go. Either. The town itself is not very large. Itself. The teacher asked her a question. Her. And each of the students gets a prize. Each. Next is fill in the blanks with the adjectives of appropriate degree. We have to look at the bracket and then write the appropriate degree of the these adjectives. Like we have to write in proper, in comparative or in superlative degree, or in the positive degree. Honesty is the best policy, which is the superlative degree. Santosh is the oldest in our family. This is my chief concern. My throat is worse today than yesterday. This dress is unique. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of verbs given in the brackets. First is Mohit drank the milk quickly as he was getting late for school. Sunil brushed his teeth before going to bed. Mr. Shah spoke at the meeting yesterday. Ritika felt unwell after having lunch, and Alka ate ice cream every day. Choose the more suitable adverbs to fill in the blanks. He had hardly slept when the lights went out. He scanned the newspaper quickly. I felt so lonely. They repeatedly quarreled among themselves. I am fully aware of the consequences. Next is separate the phrases and the clauses in the following. First is I enjoyed walking in the fields. In the fields, phrases. Saurabh hopes to win the first prize. To win the first prize, phrase. To err is to human, phrase. They started when the morning came out. When, clause. The boy who is sitting near you is my cousin. Who, clause. Next is write the pronouns associated with each picture according to the given directions. So first is personal possessive, mine. Second person, you. And third person is he. With this, let's recall second is over. Let us come on to the next chapter. Our next chapter is chapter number 24, prefixes and suffixes. Now these are the two terms which are used. First we are going to study about prefixes. So prefixes are the group of group of letters that are added before any of the word to change its meaning completely. Like for example, anti. Anti is a prefix, and if there are many words before which we can add this word and change the meaning completely. First is anti, which is against, like antibiotic, something which is biotic, and if we have put anti before it becomes the opposite, which is antibiotic. Clockwise means the thing that goes in a clockwise direction, and if we have put anti-clockwise, it means the opposite direction. So according to the meaning of the words, it actually, since the meaning of anti is against, they are the opposite of, so the word also acts as an antonium of the following. Next is auto, which is self, that means automobile, automatic, right? Next is by, which means to, So bicycle, bisect, bipolar, like this. Next is cent, 100. So centenary, centipede, like this. So these are the examples. There are many examples that are given, like mid, which means middle of something, midday, midterm, midnight. Next is poly, which means many. So polygon, polygamy, polymer, like this. So these are the examples that you can read on your own and understand and learn, because in your unit test and in your half yearly exams, the questions can come from inside also. Next is the suffix. Suffix is just the opposite of what prefix is. Like prefix was the group of letters which are added before the word. Suffixes are the group of letters which are added after the word, which is actually added at the last. So suffix is a letter or group of letters added to end of a word, which makes a different word, right? To change the meaning completely, we actually add it. So which is able, that is you can do certain things with, like eatable, sealable, side, killing, like pesticide, genocide, having a lot of something, amount, filling something, like hopeful, powerful, spoonful, handful, cheerful. So these are the examples of the suffix which you can read on your own. Let us come on to the exercise without wasting any time. First exercise is make two words each with the prefixes given below. First is in. So here we have to add in as a prefix. So we have to write the words which are in which in is the prefix. So first one is intolerant, next is inevitable, or you can write any word that you know. Next is discomfort, disagreement, unfortunate, untidy, rewrite, renew, yeah, reunite, any word. Television, telegram, telepathy. You can write any word that you know. Make two words each with the suffix given below. So full, beautiful, careful, cheerful. Next is ness, laziness, goodness, happiness, friendly, user friendly, eco friendly, co friendly. You can write anything. Hood, brotherhood, adulthood, childhood. Next is less, careless, endless. There are many other words also. Next is write the meaning of the following prefixes and suffix. So dis means opposite of, im, into, non, not, let, young, logi, study of something. Rewrite the words given below by replacing incorrect prefixes with the correct one. So dislegal becomes illegal, immature becomes immature, annual becomes biannual, usable means becomes eligible, foreface becomes forehead, and unisaturated becomes unsaturated. Let us come on to the next chapter, which is chapter number 25, antonyms and synonyms. So next chapter is chapter number 25, synonyms and antonyms. So synonyms are the words which have the same meaning as the word. In Hindi, these are known as samanarthi shabd. The words which have the same meaning as the word, like abhor is detest and hate. It is the same meaning. Both of the words have same meanings. Aid is help. Alarm, danger. Allow, permit, alter, changes. So synonym is a word with the same meaning as another word in the same language, right? So these are the sentences that you can read on your own and learn, because these can also come in your half yearly exam or in your annual exam or in your unit test. Next is, and these are the examples only of synonyms. You can read them also. Next is antonym. So antonym is a word which means the opposite of the another word, like abhor. Abhor, the opposite of the abhor is like and love, right? And abhor means hate. So antonym will be love. Absence means when there is no one in, if the about whom we are talking, that person is not present, so that is his absence. And presence means if the person is present. Accept, refuse, admire, mock, admit, deny, alive, dead. So these are the examples that you can read on your own, which is on another page also. with this, let us come on to the exercise, which is also very easy. Only one exercise is there, in which we have to solve the following puzzle by filling in the synonyms of the given words. So first is excess, which means surplus. We have to write the same meaning of the word. So excess, surplus, hide, conceal, compel, force, faithful, loyal, disappoint, despair, rich, wealthy. And here miserly, stingy, forgive, pardon, danger, peril, brief, concise, friendship, amity, and wander, roam. Next is solve the following puzzle by filling the antonyms. Now we have to write the antonyms. So few is more, private, public, cheerful, gloomy, busy, free, right? Where is it but? Busy. Right here. Idle, I'm sorry. Bold, timid, barren, fertile. Now pessimist, optimist, attract, repel, natural, artificial, permit. Permit is next is innocent, guilty, dead, alive. With this, chapter number 25 is also over, and with this the syllabus of unit test is over. And I hope that everybody has understood all the chapters, and I wish you all the best for your unit test, and I'll see you all next week with my new video. Till then, take care and keep studying. Thank you.